So our first test today is to do with focal distance. The physical size of the sensor affects the field of view of each lens.
How are you guys? This is Vixon from the Vixon TV channel, and we are going to do the unboxing of the Sony a6400. Okay, so I have here with me is the Sony a6400 with the lens kit of 18 to 135 and f3.5 to 5.6 OSS. On this side, we have the list of compatible accessories for the Sony a6400, and let's start with the unboxing. We have here the usual papers and guidelines. This is the camera unit. We have the body strap, the original body strap from Sony, and the eyepiece cup for the viewfinder, micro USB cable, rechargeable battery, that's the NP-FW50. We have the AC adapter, and this is probably the lens, the zoom lens 18 to 135 f3.5 to 5.6 OSS. And this is for the plug for the AC adapter. We have the Type G and the Type I. So basically, these are the things that you can see inside the box. We have the lens, we have the camera, the body strap, and this comes with the lens. We have the AC adapter, the rechargeable battery pack, and the eyepiece cup for the viewfinder. Of course, we have to buy the memory card. And during the promotion, I got the travel charger and the extra battery pack for free. So I'm just going to show you what's inside the travel adapter, because as much as possible, we do not want to use the unit to charge the batteries. And of course, it's better for you to charge the other batteries while you're using the camera. So we just have to follow the instructions, what's written in the leaflet. There's how to use the travel adapter, and there's an indicator if it's already full or if the battery is already empty. So the last accessory that I have here with me is the shooting grip with the mini tripod. You can also use this one during vlogging, or you can use this one as well when doing selfies. This is actually very small. It's almost the same size of my palm, and this is great for recording videos on a still position. This is very easy to mount, and as you can see, this is the wired one. There is another kind of shooting grip that is wireless, but this one is the wired version, and it will be powered using the battery of your camera. And as you can see on the middle part, there's a remote, so you can also do some adjustments with the view and the zooming of the lenses using the controller or the remote control of the shooting grip. As per Sony, the max load for this shooting grip is 1 kilogram. So basically you can use this one with the camera and the lens kit that's provided. It can still withstand the weight. And after the pandemic is over, I'm going to try all the accessories that I have with me, and of course with the camera, with the Sony a6400. And as you can see, you can place the camera on 90 degrees and also up to 20 degrees. So this is best for taking still photos or group pictures using a timer, and also recording a video like vlogging. So that's basically it, and this is the short or quick unboxing of the Sony a6400 with the lens kit and some of its accessories. I'm not an expert with cameras, and definitely I'm not a photographer, but hopefully when the time comes, I'll be able to give you a hands-on video on the how to use the camera and how it performs during the actual use of this camera. And also I'm planning to use this camera for my vlogging. So hopefully to see you next time. And don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel.